Okay. Let's check out the equality in animal world. I think they should share. It's a really big piece of sausage. Strange. He doesn't want to share. But let's find out. Maybe at the end he will just split it 8 ways and everybody will have a little piece. Hmm. I wonder how it ends. Imperialista. We're not giving up. We think animals know that sharing is good. So they should split this sausage equally between each other so everybody gets a tiny little piece for the sake of equity. Strange. He didn't want to share. That's strange. I think they felt miserably the class of equity and equality. Seagulls. What do you expect? So you witnessed equity and equality lesson from the animal world. But obviously we are better. We would have shared that sausage between everyone. So everybody gets a tiny little piece of it.